In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Ottawa. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what information to enter, how to complete the payment, and how to save your proof for your records. Before we start, have your parking ticket handy or know your license plate number and have a valid Visa or MasterCard ready. First, head to the official City of Ottawa. Pay a parking ticket page. You can find it on ottawa.ca under parking or by searching City of Ottawa Pay Parking Ticket. Make sure you're on the official site and that you see a secure connection in your browser before entering any details. Once you're on the payment portal, you'll be asked to look up your ticket. You can search using the parking ticket number, or you can search by your license plate number. If you have the ticket number, that's usually the fastest and most precise option. You'll typically find it printed near the top of your ticket. If you don't have the ticket number, the license plate search works too. Just be prepared to pick the correct ticket from the results. If your ticket was issued very recently, it might not appear right away. It can take 1 to 3 days for a new ticket to be added to the system. If nothing comes up, double check your entry for typos, and if it still doesn't appear, try again later once the ticket has had time to process. When your ticket appears, select it to continue. Take a moment to confirm the details, match your notice, including the license plate, the date and time, and the fine amount. Verifying now helps prevent mistakes or duplicate payments. Next, proceed to payment. Enter your credit card details using a Visa or MasterCard. For a smooth checkout, ensure your billing information matches what your card issuer has on file. Avoid refreshing the page or clicking the back button while the payment is processing, and allow a few moments for the confirmation to load. After your payment is approved, you'll see a confirmation screen. Save your receipt right away by downloading it as a file or taking a clear screenshot. Keep this confirmation for your records in case you ever need to reference the payment date or receipt number. And that's it! You've paid your Ottawa parking ticket online quickly and securely. If you run into issues finding your ticket or completing payment, check back after a day or two or visit the same City of Ottawa page for support options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get it done without any hassle.